Effortless English Mini Stories. The Lazy Rabbit and the Clever Turtle. One sunny day, a rabbit was sleeping under a tree. He was lazy and loved to nap all day. A turtle slowly walked by. The rabbit laughed. "You are so slow. I can run 10 times faster." The turtle smiled. "Maybe, but I always reach my goal." The rabbit said, "Let's race." The turtle said, "Okay." The race began. The rabbit ran fast but stopped to sleep. "I will win later," he thought. But the turtle kept walking slowly, steadily, never stopping. When the rabbit woke up, the turtle was at the finish line. The rabbit lost. The turtle said, "Slow and steady wins the race." Moral: don't be lazy. Keep going and you will succeed. Let's practice question and answer in the mini story. Answer every questions. Pause and speak out loud. Let's start. One sunny day, a rabbit was sleeping under a tree. Who was sleeping? A rabbit. Was the rabbit running? No, he was sleeping. Where was he sleeping? Under a tree. Was it raining? No, it was sunny. What kind of day was it? A sunny day. Was the rabbit hardworking? No, he was lazy. What did he love to do? Nap all day. Did he like to work? No, he liked to nap. A turtle walked by. Was the turtle fast? No, he was slow. Did the rabbit laugh? Yes, he laughed. What did the rabbit say? "You are so slow." Did the turtle cry? No, he smiled. What did he say? "I always reach my goal." Was the turtle angry? No, he was calm. Did they decide to fight? No, they decided to race. Who said, "Let's race"? The rabbit. Did the turtle say no? No, he said okay. The race began. Did the rabbit run fast? Yes, he ran fast. Did the turtle run fast? No, he walked slowly. Did the rabbit stop? Yes, he stopped to sleep. Why? He thought he would win later. Did the turtle stop? No, he kept walking. Who reached the finish line first? The turtle. Did the rabbit win? No, the rabbit lost. What did the turtle say? Slow and steady wins the race. Welcome to mini story B, repetition and fun. Let's go deeper. The rabbit was lazy. He loved to sleep, sleep, and sleep and sleep. What did he love to do? Sleep. The turtle walked slowly, very slowly, but he didn't stop. He didn't stop to sleep. He didn't stop to eat. He just walked. Slow and steady, step by step. The rabbit laughed. He was fast, so fast, but he stopped. He said, I'll sleep now. I will win later. But later, the turtle had already won. The rabbit woke up. He was shocked. Oh no! The turtle smiled. Slow and steady wins the race, he said. Vocabularies from the mini story. Lazy, doesn't want to work. Nap, a short sleep during the day. Goal, the finish line, something you want to reach. A race, a competition to see who is faster. Fast, quick, opposite to of slow. Steady, always moving without stopping. Finish line, the end of a race. Win, to be first. Loss, do not win. Moral, the lesson of the story. This is end of the effortless English story, the lazy rabbit and the clever turtle. If you like this story, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.